Okay, we're here at Bows and Boars Ranch. I'm here with Mike Rash, bowyer for Legends Bows, using one of his tornadoes. We just shot a Curlis Ram, about a 35-yard shot, and we're going to go track it right now. So come on, here we go. He was standing right on this bank, pointed down, nose across. Had a pretty good shot on him, so he shouldn't be too far away. How's that? He can't be very far away now.
That looks good.
A lot of good blood on there. All right, here we go. He ran down this path. You might want to come up and look at this.
You find him already?
He didn't go very far.
Oh, sweet.
Don't step in that big blood pile right there. You might slip and fall.
Oh, that is a nice animal.
There we go, baby.
Look at that. Turn that head around. Let me see it.
Legends Bows. Strike again.
Oh, Bill, that's a nice Corsican. I'm gonna zoom in on him a little bit.
Nice and heavy.
Beautiful colors. And you got a lot of beard and a lot of nice hair coat on that.
Look, he's got a tagged ear.
Oh yeah. Got the Texas tag.
Got a good mane on him.
Uh-huh. No, he's beautiful.
Nice looking animal.
Let me move up here where I can just get a little better side view of him.
Get a picture of his entrance wound, which is
right where you want it.
right there.
Them 3Ds paid off.
Yeah. Exit.
Right there where you want it. Boy, it's got a beautiful color on him, doesn't he?
Yeah, kind of dapple.
Mm-hmm.
Good looking animal.
No, I'll tell you what, that's a trophy. That's a nice animal. You did well, my friend.
My buddy Mike Rash put me on the right spot.
Now, you did it all. I just brought you here.
We had to belly crawl for about an hour to get in right position on him. We saw him early and just had the wind right and snuck in on him, and everything worked out perfect.
All righty. Good job.